Yeah.
Oh my god.
I'm having entertainment problems. Y'all entertain me. Y'all are really boring right now. What? No, I don't want to hug you. Get off my stuff. Please don't rape it.
No, I want to
You know what you showed from yesterday?
Oh my god. Dude, do it again. Do it again. Do it again. Do it again. Aww.
Are they going out?
No.
Yes?
No.
No.
TJ's
No.
hugs are not free after.
Dude, your hair smells weird.
That's because it's wet. Here,
Can we smell your hair? Ew. You smell like a wet dog.
I know.
See, my hair after the shower, it smells like Pantene.
Oh, dude, that Nutrisil commercial.
Fall out of your shirt. Fall out of your shirt.
Fall out of her shirt.
Fall out of your seat.
He would like that.
Fall out of your seat
Right here.
again. Do the most thingy and fall out of your seat. Do it.
What?
Do it. Do it. Do it. Hurry. Hurry.
Go.
You didn't know it was gangs before?
I'm a crackhead. I'm a crackhead.
Hey, do Matt Good. Do Matt, not Matt Good. Matt Tuck. Matt Tuck. Matt Tuck. Do it. Do it.
I'm a crackhead. I'm a crackhead.
Do it.
I'm a crackhead. I suck on crack. I'm a crackhead. I'm a crackhead.
Here.
I'm a crackhead.
Ooh. Don't slap the camera. It'll slap you back.
I do smell like a wet
No, you
dog.
can't smell a sharp.
I don't want to
Let the
smell
camera smell it.
No.
I love Sharpie. I love Sharpie.